We've all heard the promise of AI agents, right? These tireless digital assistants that can tackle complex jobs while we do, well, other things. But here's the thing. They have a hidden weakness, a flaw that makes them surprisingly fragile. And it all boils down to one simple question. Have you ever tried this? You give an AI agent a big multi-step task, you come back a little while later, and you find out it just stopped. All because of some tiny, temporary error. It's like they have all this incredible intelligence, but absolutely no resilience. And the root of the problem is something surprisingly simple: memory. So yeah, this memory problem, it basically makes today's AI agents like these brilliant minds with total amnesia. They're incredibly smart in the moment, but their fragility comes from the very way they're built. Think about a simple script you might run on your computer. It executes its commands, and then poof, it's done. It forgets everything that just happened. Well, that's how most AI agents work. They can't handle a job that takes hours, let alone days. A single network hiccup can crash the entire thing. They just have no persistence. But what if we could give them a nervous system? And this is exactly where a new idea called AgentOS comes into the picture. It's a really elegant solution that borrows a powerful concept from something we all use literally every single day: a computer's operating system. Right, so think about it. Windows or Linux doesn't just launch an app and then forget about it. No way. It manages resources, it handles errors, it keeps everything running smoothly for days on end. AgentOS does the exact same thing, but its job is managing AI agents, giving them the foundation they desperately need to work reliably. So how does it actually pull this off? Well, it's really built on two main pillars. You've got Runtime Supervision, which is like the active manager, and a persistence layer, which acts as the agent's long-term memory. Let's dig into how those two work together. Okay, so these two components, supervision and persistence, they're what take a fragile, one-shot script and turn it into a tough, autonomous worker. Let's see how they actually keep the agent alive and aware of what it's doing. First up is Runtime Supervision. The best way to think about this is like an air traffic control tower for your AI agents. It's constantly watching, directing, and making sure everything is running smoothly and safely. And this is way more than just running a piece of code. This is about managing it. AgentOS can start, stop, and even pause agents. If something fails, it automatically tries again. It puts up safety guardrails to make sure they don't go off the rails, and it gives you full observability, logs, metrics, the whole shebang, so you always know exactly what your agent is up to. Let's make this real. Imagine an agent that's supposed to analyze 1,000 different research papers. If a request to get some data, an API call, fails for a second, a normal agent would just crash and burn. But with AgentOS, it sees that temporary error, it waits a bit, and it tries again, all by itself. That's what real resilience looks like. All right, on to that second pillar. If supervision is the control tower, then persistence, well, that's the agent's memory. This is the piece that finally solves that whole amnesia problem we were talking about. See, persistence is what allows an agent to tackle jobs that last for days or even weeks. It can store what it learns in both short-term and long-term memory. It creates these little checkpoints, so if the whole system crashes, it can pick up right where it left off instead of starting from square one. It can even be scheduled to, wake up and do a task at a specific time. Here's a perfect real-world example. A sales agent could be managing a new lead over several weeks. It remembers every single past conversation, it knows exactly when the next follow-up is supposed to happen, and it can wake itself up on Tuesday morning to send that crucial email. That is true autonomy, and it's only possible because of persistence. So, what does this all really mean? What's the bottom line? Let's do a quick side-by-side comparison to see the pretty dramatic difference that AgentOS makes. I mean, the contrast here is pretty stark, isn't it? A basic agent is a one-and-done, forgetful script that needs a human to jump in whenever something goes wrong. It's cool for a prototype, but it's not ready for serious work. An agent running on AgentOS, though, that's a continuous, persistent system with automatic failure handling. And that, right there, is what takes an AI agent from being a cool experiment to being a reliable, enterprise-ready tool. This shift from fragile little scripts to truly reliable systems, it's more than just a tech upgrade. It really opens the door for a whole new kind of automation, the rise of what you might call true digital workers. And there's one last analogy that brings this all together perfectly. So at the very core of every agent, you've got a large language model, an LLM. That's the intelligence. It's the brain that can reason and plan and understand what you're asking it to do. But, a brain by itself can't really do much. It needs skills. That's where an agent framework comes in. It gives the brain tools, the ability to browse the web, or write code, or use an API. It's basically the hands and feet. And this is the final and maybe most important piece of the puzzle. AgentOS is the nervous system that connects the brain to the skills and coordinates everything. It's the memory that lets the brain actually learn and remember. And it's the life support system that keeps the whole thing running 24/7, handling problems and making sure it stays alive long enough to finish its mission. And when you put this complete system together, the possibilities get kind of wild. Just imagine autonomous agents managing your cloud infrastructure, or AI workers providing customer support around the clock, or tireless assistants that can reliably schedule all your meetings and analyze complex data without ever messing up.